Hi guys, Dr. Axe here, founder of Axe Holistic Medicine, and really excited. This quick video is just to, educate you on how to read your results today and educate you on how you need to recover from any kind of injury, whether it's headaches or back pain or sciatica. And my big pet peeve is people, they go to the hospital, they go to another clinic, they get imaging, they get MRI, whatever, and the doctor just says that you're normal. Take a muscle relaxer or a pain med and, you're going to be fine. Well, you're not fine, right? And I see it all the time. People, they get injured and 10 years later, they're in terrible shape and they let the soreness go away. They didn't do anything about it. So I'm going to show you how to read those images and dig deep and find stuff that other doctors don't find. And I'm going to tell you why it's so important to get these treatments, and I'm going to show you how to get quick results. Big thing here. This is literally life-changing information. People think it's just their neck or their back. The problem is your brain right here controls everything for your heart to heal, for you to have energy, for you to digest your food. All that information travels from the brain down your spinal cord, all the way down, and then for your gut, it travels from your low back to your gut, right? From your mid back to your heart. So for you to be healthy and for your body to heal, you have to have good spinal health. It's not about back pain. The pain is just a warning sign that there's pressure on your nerve. The pain is not the problem, guys. It's the damage of the nerve, and your organs can't heal. So if there's only 60% of nerves firing from your heart because you had whiplash or damage to your neck from an accident, your heart will only heal and function at 60%, and you will develop issues over time. That's how important this is, right? This is the same reason people eat healthy, exercise, and then all of a sudden have some random disease. It's because their body wasn't healing properly, and the organ that controls your healing is your brain. It controls everything, and if there's interference or blockage in your neck or your back from an accident, you will develop issues over time. So let's take a look at how we analyze the spine. We're going to take some images today, and you'll know exactly what's going on with your body and how to not just feel better and fix headaches and neck pain, but to be healthier, have more energy, and live a better life. So from here, you should be straight from the front. Your right hip, your left hip should be even. On the left is someone that was in an accident. The right hip from being on the gas pedal, from them flinching, they only got hit at 1 mile an hour, and it caused one hip to go higher and can actually cause a curvature in the low back. This is the side view of the back. You can see you should have a curvature, but your bones should be aligned. You can see how this one does not align with that one. That is called whiplash, okay? And that can cause all kinds of issues, tons of arthritis and degeneration. And that arthritis and degeneration of your disc after an accident can take 5 or 10 years to develop. So you might feel fine now, but if we don't fix the whiplash and the slippage of this joint out of position, 5-10 years, you will have massive issues. So this is all about prevention. This is the neck. This is someone after an accident. You should have on the right here, you should have a curvature. This is someone on the left where the ligament got stretched out and damaged, and they totally lost the curve in their neck, and they started to get a lot of tightness in their trap, a lot of tension headaches, a lot of neck pain, and things like that. And then on the right here, you can see this is an MRI of someone that actually was in an accident. They didn't do the proper treatment, and a few years later, their issues came back. They did an MRI. Sure enough, there was a disc that was bulging, and this is their spinal cord right here. Look, this disc is literally pushing into their spinal cord. And so they were having just a lot of discomfort, a lot of headaches, and then they started to develop numbness down their hands and legs. So we do not want this. And this is something through our treatment I'm going to show you. We can fix this disc issue that we found in the MRI. Big thing that we look on is not just x-rays, but your posture. Every inch the head moves forward, it doubles the weight of your head. If your head weighs 12 pounds and your head moves forward, it could weigh as much as 42 pounds. And all that pressure is why you do not heal properly. You can do chiropractic, you can do stretching, you can do everything. But if we don't fix this problem, your issues will come back and worse than ever. And this moving of the head forward, which we have a patented way we fix that, that will lead to long-term muscle strains, disc herniations, arthritis, and pinched nerves. And when this happens, it causes something called upper cross syndrome, okay? That's when these muscles here in the front get weak and these muscles over here, like a cross, they get tight. So we're going to give you very specific exercises and adjustments to fix this upper cross syndrome, which is a muscle imbalance, and that's going to help permanently fix your posture and get you feeling better than ever and help you recover from the accident and not just feel better, but heal better. One of the amazing pieces of equipment used is this magnet called PEMF. Okay, and this magnet we can put on your spine. And this study showed that it was 50% as effective as a steroid. The green line is how much from the black it reduced inflammation. The red is how effective a steroid was. 50% as effective as a steroid without any pills, 100% natural. You lay on a magnet. This can help with traumatic brain injury. It can help with headaches. It can help with the whiplash. And it can just help you better blood flow and heal from all different kinds of ailments. And another amazing natural type of medicine that we use is called platelet-rich plasma, or PRP. This is where we take your blood, we spin it, we get that golden liquid, which is just like fertilizer. It's just amazing. It'll help heal any, you can put it in your scalp for wrinkles, you can put it in your hair for hair growth. But what we use it for is to put in the muscles around your neck or your back to get discs to heal, to get the muscles to heal. So a natural form of medicine that can be an alternative to surgery, help get you amazing results outside of just doing regular therapy. Another natural procedure we do is called trigger points, okay? That's these red dots here. It's where your muscles from being injured are all knotted up in a ball. And we actually go in there with a really tiny needle and we just put some water in there, essentially, some saline. Or we can put PRP. We put it right in there. It dissolves that muscle within minutes. Can help a ton with the pain. It can help your body heal. We can also do this manually through adjustments and with our hands. But that is why you're having headaches, is these trigger points are radiating pain into your neck, into your back, down your leg, into your head, everywhere. We have to fix these trigger points. When you have bad posture, when you are injured, it compresses the disc and causes a compressed disc. We have to decompress it. If it's compressed, we decompress. This is one of these machines where we can actually isolate the disc in your low back with mechanical traction. We can open that up, and we have different types of traction that we use to reverse herniated discs and get you feeling better, healing better. Not just throw an ice pack on you so it feels less inflamed. We're physically, mechanically taking pressure off that disc. Last thing before we finish up, posture is important. Again, we use this vibration plate to help with lymphatic drainage, but to stimulate your posture muscles. Those are the muscles that hold you up and lock you in so you can stand taller. And when you stand taller, you're actually going to look better, okay? We also use this called a Dena roll. It's got a patented lip on it that you lay on that helps reverse whiplash, helps get a natural arch in your neck so your neck is stronger and more resilient against injuries in the future. I don't know about you guys. I think this information is simple, but like kind of life-changing. Like no one knows this. There's so many conditions. You can live such a better life just by fixing your spine. So next up, join our mission and tell other people about this. And we actually will check your family members for free, whether they were in an accident or not, just to see if they have any of this going on, and we can help them with their health issues, right? And the last thing, health is more important than money, right? If you have a case, we're going to help you financially with that situation, but health is wealth. Putting time and money into your health is the number one thing you can do. It's like the stock market. You will get exponential dividends if you put time and money into your health. I know you're busy, but if we fix this now, we take the time, look at it as a blessing, I promise you, you'll save yourself a ton of time and money. We're not asking for a year here, 2, 3, 4 months, something you've been pushing off forever. Let's fix it. Let's fix it the right way, and let's move forward with your life happier and healthier than ever.